Hi, this is Germain Simon from L-Acoustics. I'm on the booth from the L-Acoustics. I'm product manager. We're here at InfoComm 2024. So here I wanted to present X8i as well as X6i, which are the two new loudspeakers from L-Acoustics, installed specific loudspeakers, passive two-way boxes that are the evolution from the very familiar X series from L-Acoustics. These are passive two-way loudspeakers, the 8-inch version with the X8i, as well as the 6.5-inch version with the X6i. Interestingly enough, both of them won the Best of Show award for the installation this year and at InfoComm 2024, so we're very glad to have those two loudspeakers winning these awards. So these are purposely made for installation awards, from performing arts centers to theaters to houses of worship. Very interesting features of these two loudspeakers is that they actually have two performance modes. You can have one mode which is based on maximum SPL capability, where you have an extra SPL capacity with a slightly shorter bandwidth, and you have another mode which is extending that bandwidth by training 6 dB. So you trade 6 dB on each of those loudspeakers and extending that bandwidth to almost about 10 to 15 more hertz. We are going with the two elements, two formats, as you can see here, two sizes, which also gives you incremental steps of 6 dB and 10 hertz to match most of the project needs that you can ever think of. As I mentioned, from performing arts center all the way down to any hospitality settings or home and yacht settings as well. Interestingly also, these come with a combination of almost more than 40 combinations of accessories that enable you to deploy these speakers in a horizontal, vertical, ceiling mounted, wall mounted, pendant, all of these methods of mounting options that are possible with these two loudspeakers. They also come with a great variety of colors. You can actually choose more than 250 colors for each of these loudspeakers. They come, as we call, in a RAL program for these two loudspeakers. So you would typically either use them standalone on their own or accompanied by subwoofers. As you can see, there are a couple of subwoofers here that we've exposed as the low frequency extension for these two products. Compatible as well with a Siva sub that you may be familiar with to complement in a little bit more robust way the low frequency domain. So I hope this gives you a desire to learn a little bit more about the performance metrics of these two loudspeakers. We'd be glad to welcome you on our booth to talk about them a little bit more. And if you want to learn more about some of the specificities, please join us on our website, L-Acoustics, l-acoustics.com, on the product pages of X8i and X6i. Thank you very much.